Hope I didn't break my bed. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm Chloe, and welcome to my channel if you're new here. And today I'm going to be doing a what's on my iPhone. I know I got iPhone 8 in 2020. Great, love that, we fired with it. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my Instagram to get daily updates every single day of my life. Basically, kind of sounded boring, but you know, why not? And without further ado, let's get straight green. It's like kind of winter theme. I absolutely love it. It's from like Google. Swipe across, you got the camera, and then you go there. You just got these widget things. iOS 14, you know. And then I have got my fingerprint, but I do have a password, but I use my fingerprint because it just makes my life easier. So this is what my phone looks like. We're gonna show you my home screen because we all know what I want. So this is like trees with baubles on. I try to make it Christmassy, but yeah. So my first page just got all like apps. I don't even know how to describe my phone. It's like organised to me. It's like got the basic apps and then just like cut apps that I use daily. So I got photos. Really love my photos. I've got notes, camera, app store, and I've got a widget which has got my baby hamster. I love my hamster. And we've got a calendar and just settings, FaceTime. Don't really use FaceTime because no one FaceTime me. Sad times. We've got mail, WhatsApp, which I only use to text one of my friends. Her friends, I know. And then we've got YouTube, which I use like pretty much every day. I absolutely love YouTube. Like, YouTube is just the best. If you know any good YouTubers, then please let me know. I got calculator. I use that for maths because I'm pretty dumb and I can't do maths to save my life. Now down below we've just got messages, phone, clock. I use clock a lot. Like, every single time I use it, I got so much alarms. And then we've got Google. And then right across I've got my like app, my social media apps, and apps I use like mostly every single day of my life. So we've got Instagram. I absolutely love Instagram. Instagram's my favourite app. Like, honestly, I could never live without it. So if you want to follow my Instagram and you can, I post on it quite a lot. Like today I haven't posted as much, but usually I post on it quite often. I do polls, I do question box, I do everything. So this is my feed at the moment, but 2021 I'm going to get updated. TikTok, which you can go follow if you really want. Like, my name is chloepricex. So I've got a pop account which I'm going to put on the screen, but I use TikTok, but I don't really find it interesting, if you get what I mean. I used to love it, but I'm just kind of getting away from it. Got Snapchat. I'm not going to show you what Snapchat, like my Snapchat, because I want to kind of keep it private for my friends. I don't even use that much, but that's Snapchat for you all. We've got Pinterest. Absolutely love Pinterest. Literally, Pinterest is my baby. I use this for like nail inspiration when I do my own acrylics. I use it for fun outfits, just anything. And then we've got the another which is me, and then we've got my baby hamster again. Her name's Ariana. I keep calling her baby hamster. Like, we've got Facebook Messenger, which is for, so I didn't mean to click on that. Facebook and Messenger, which is for private family stuff. Teams, Outlook. Yaman, this app is just for college. And then we've got Pacer, which is for my steps. Can I like to see how much steps I do? I haven't done that much steps today, but we all love that. And then we've got Music, which is my music app. Really good, highly recommend. Go across, we've got Nationwide, which is my bank. Amazon, love Amazon. Uni Days, which is a student discount for my college. I don't know if you have that where you live, but I got it. So got free prints, which is these prints behind me. I just basically put prints from your camera and then you buy them and then you order them. Again, and they come, yeah, I don't know how to describe, but these are where my prints are gone from. Love them. And then we've got Noah, which is Smith, which is my dog who lives at my dad's, and I still love her. And then we got the weather, which I'm gonna have to blur there where I live, but the weather's absolutely crap today. Like, I mean, it's raining. And we've got Lightroom, Facetune, which these are my Instagram editing apps for when I get better at editing, like my 2021 app. So if you want me to do how I edit when I actually know how to edit, then please let me know, because I will. Amazon Alexa, which is from my Amazon Alexa over there, because I love my Alexa. Sandbox, which is just a game for when I get bored, basically. It's just a colouring app. It's fun. And we've got Word Collect, which is another game which I don't really use. Like, it's just a game you make up words and you just have to guess it. You get what I mean? Yeah, it makes no sense, but you know. InShot, which I use to edit my YouTube videos for now. What I mean by that, hopefully I want to get better at editing, so I might make it how I edit very soon, but I don't know. And then we've got Fonto, which I use for my thumbnails. Pixar, I use for my thumbnails, because you know, we've got to love them. Basically, I love their maps, it's just amazing for my thumbnails. And then you go across and just these are the widget box of things. So I got Camera Connect, which I didn't tell you, and I think, and YouTube Studio, so only two apps I don't think I told you I got. And I got NHS app, and I got Amazon Music app. So yeah, that is basically, oh my god, I can't even do. That's basically what my phone can cause. I haven't got that much like stuff on my phone. I haven't got that much on my phone just because I don't really use that much apps. I don't know what apps to use. So if you know any good apps that you got on your phone, then please let me know because I would love to know. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to check my other videos, and I'll see you guys soon. Oh my god, soon. Bye guys.